Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on how to trade silver in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, so now silver is one of the most popular commodities in the financial markets, and with MT4 and MT5 you can easily access silver charts. You can analyze price action and place trades with precision. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm just going to take you step by step through the process of setting up your silver chart, identifying opportunities, and executing your first trade. All right, now let us start with the basics. When you open your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that silver is visible in your symbols list. Okay, you can just go and view your market watch, ensure that your market watch, you click on this show all right, make sure you right click and click on show all. Okay, it's the same thing on MetaTrader 4, market watch, show all. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just search for silver right there. Silver. Okay, this should be XAG USD. This is silver. All right, so you can just right click on it and click on chart window. Okay, so once you've added it to your chart, the next thing is, to set up the chart. You can change the colors, basically just change the properties of the chart according to your taste. All right, um by default you might see candlesticks, but you can also change the chart type to suit your preference, whether you want the bar chart or candlesticks or the line chart, whichever one you prefer. Okay, so you want to adjust your chart for better analysis. That means, zooming in or zooming out, right? So you can switch between time frames. You can see the different time frames here. You switch between time frames and customize the appearance of your chart basically so that it is clear and easy to read. Now let us move on to using built-in tools for analysis. Silver, like any other market, moves in trends. Okay, it actually moves in trends, ranges, and sometimes sharp spikes. So you can add trend lines to mark key support and resistance levels. Okay, you just have to hold, and then drag. Okay, mark your trend lines. Remember, two swing lows connected, right? Then you have your dynamic support level, which are these trend lines represented by these trend lines, right? So you use this for analysis. Okay, and then you also have the horizontal support and resistance zones, which you can use to also identify static. You can see these horizontal lines are used to identify static support and resistance levels, areas where price, have gotten to in the past and gotten rejected. So those areas can also tell you that when price gets there in the future, there might be a possible reversal. So you can use all these tools for your analysis depending on your trading style, depending on your strategy. Okay, so if silver is consolidating in a range, you can actually mark highs and lows. All right, you can mark highs and lows. If silver is consolidating, you can even use this triangle, you know, tool and just, mark out the particular range so that when a breakout happens, then you can just act according to the breakout. Okay, switching between time frames like what I just did right now, it's important. Looking at the bigger picture on a higher time frame, it can help you to avoid mistakes when you are now trading on the smaller time frame. You can go to the higher time frame and do your analysis, then you drop down to the smaller time frame to execute your trades. Okay, so once your analysis is ready, it's time to place your first trade. Okay, to do this, you just simply right click on the silver chart and you can just select trading and select new order, or you can just go straight to this point and click on new order, or you can just use the one click trading button. Right, you can see if you just want to buy, just click on buy immediately. You just set your lot size. Your lot size should be set within here, and then click on buy or you click on sell. Okay, so you see these are the different these are few of the ways that you can execute your trade. So if you are using this new order button, a trade window is going to open where you choose the size of your position. This is your lot size. Under this volume is where you set your lot size, and then whether you want to buy or sell. Okay, you set the important details like your stop loss level, your take profit level. All right, so in MT4 and in MT5 this process is very straightforward. It's the same, right, across MT4 and MT5. So you can see this on MT4 now. Let's just insert. Okay, let's go to new chart and let us add silver. All right, so if you click on new order, you can see you set your lot size, you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and if you want to buy or if you want to sell. So whether you're using MT4 or using MT5, the process is similar. Okay, so after let's just assume that we want to enter a buy trade after you have done your analysis, obviously, right? So you enter your trade, and then of course this is a demo account, by the way. So you can check out your running trades under this terminal window. You just open, view your terminal, your toolbox. Okay, that's for MT5, but for MT4, what you are going to be viewing is terminal. All right, that's what you're going to be viewing, terminal, and you're going to see the trades. Okay, so yeah, so that's how to execute a trade. Remember that silver is a commodity that reacts to global events, market sentiment, and demand and supply factors. So that is why it's always a good idea to combine technical analysis with an awareness of the bigger picture. Pay attention to economic calendars, news events, and reports that could affect silver prices because they often cause volatility. So this tutorial is designed for traders of all levels, whether you are just starting out or already familiar with Forex and commodities. By following these steps, you'll gain confidence in trading silver on both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So basically, after you've executed your trade, you can just drag and drop to set your stop loss and your take profit. Actually, after you have executed your trade, you can still modify your stop loss and your take profit. Just drag and drop. Okay, so you can also come here, double tap. You can just double tap, and then you can edit the stop loss and the take profit as well, right? Then you click on that modify button. Okay, you can modify after you've already executed the trade. So whichever method you want to do, if you want to exit your trade, you can just click on this X button. Okay, so it's super easy, all right, to trade silver on MT4 and MT5. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading guides, strategies, and tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.